Hi guys, I'm reviewing today the Pet Term mushroom powder. The company sent this to me for my dogs to try. They're claiming key benefits: daily wellness support, immune system support, cognitive and vitality support. So let's take a look at it. Okay, this is pretty tough to open, but it's sealed good, so I like that. It looks like it comes with a scoop. Well, that's nice, they wrap it. They wrap it, but I think the powder has gotten inside. Anyway, it's just a dry powder, and I think you can mix it with, let's look. It has a mushroom blend of turkey tail, maitake, reishi, cordyceps, lion's mane, shiitake, oyster mushroom, button mushroom, poria, chaga, and straw mushroom. I'm not really seeing mixing instructions if you mix it with water, but anyway, you could just put it dry on their food. I've used this before, and you mix it with water, give it to them that way. You could do that and pour it on their food too. So anyway, we'll try it with my dogs this evening with their dry food and see how it goes.